Sobrang lalim,
Hindi ka
no?
marunong lumangoy, kaya
Hindi malalim yan kahit marunong ka.
We are in DRT but it's closed today. Sa 15 pa daw, October 15 pa daw ang bukas. Hanapin na lang kami ng ibang lugar for photoshoot. Another place here in DRT. And this is how it looks. Pag nalaglag ka dyan, putek na ano. Oh. Feeling ko ang dulas-dulas niyan. Wow. And we are in DRT but dito kami sa Sapa. May bridge dito. Andun yung kotse nakapark sa taas. Tapos ito kami sa baba. Parang I think this is free. Wala namang anong sisita-sita, but this is I think free. So ito siya. Wow! Ano na ako sa taas kanina? Let's see what we can do here. May naliligo pala dito. I'm taking my shoes off because I wanna feel the water. And I think the water is good. So let's try and feel the water. Kuya Ray, patulong naman. Dami kong bitbit. Dami kong bitbit, Kuya Ray.
Oh, ayun.
Okay na. Ako na pa. Let's go. Wow. Kuya Ray, para kang crew ng film. Wow, dati lang. Turista sa Bulacan. Ay, siya.
Magpatay yung lahat.
Sige. Ito, okay tayo dito. That's the DRT photoshoot that we are doing. Sama ko sa Tilay, Sarah, Jude, Yan, at Kuya Ryan. And last photo na kukunin ko sa kanila dito sa location na to is dito sa taas na tong bridge na to. Upo lang sila dun sa tabi ng bridge, kita yung kanilang kotse and that's it. Today's work is done for me. Tapos mamaya ulit may birthday party-ish. Ganyan, birthday ni Bunanay. Yan. Okay, they're getting ready. I'm ready when they are. So that's it. That's the last shoot. Na yata ko nalimutan. What I like about this kind of photo shoots is that we get to know the place. We research about the place and we try to get the feel of what's really happening in the place. That's what I like about travels. You get to experience the whole place, get to know some people, see their way of living and do their stuff. Okay, back to the car. Yes. Wow, ganda pang picture niyan. Oh. DRT na kayo. Nag-stop over kami dito sa Pansit Batil Patong. Nakakita ng Pansit Batil Patong dito sa Norsagaray. At titikman namin, hindi ko pa natikman to eh. And thank you for watching this video, this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed my 5 my 5 videos for this travel. We went from Obando to Tarlac to Obando. We did this trip because Jude and Sarah wanted me to take pictures for their prenuptial shoot, and that's how I got into this travel. I'd just like to thank Jude, Sarah for taking me to this trip. I really needed this trip to get my sleep back again. I'd like to thank everyone from Obando, Ate Lai, Kuya Ryan, Tita Essie, Tita Oni, Paki, Ate Juby, yan, Tito Ray, especially si Tito Ray. Makabait na tao. And everyone in Tarlac, in La Paz, Tarlac. Tita Oye, sila Dayan, sila Bunanay, sila Ate Arnie, Kuya Darwin, yan. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Lalong-lalo na si King, kapatid ni Sarah. Thank you so much for accommodating us, for accommodating me especially. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. I'll see you maybe before the year ends or maybe next year, depends, but I'll see you soon, and thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye bye. Thank you so much. Wala akong ginastos. Yeah. So for photo and video, ganyan, prenuptial shoot and baby photo shoot, ganyan, small events. Jude and John Photography on Facebook. I'll put the link on the description below.